delicious potatoes and eggs. First, prepare 4 potatoes and place them all in a pot. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour water into the pot so that it completely covers the potatoes, avoiding leaving any potatoes exposed, as they will not cook evenly. Finally, cover the pot with a lid. Turn on the stove and boil the potatoes over high heat until they come to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium. The boiling time will depend on the size of the potatoes. Small potatoes usually take about 15 to 20 minutes, while large potatoes may take 25 to 30 minutes. To check if the potatoes are done, use chopsticks or a fork to pierce the center of a potato. If it pierces easily, doesn't feel hard, and comes out smoothly, the potatoes are fully cooked. When the potatoes are done, remove them from the pot, place them in a colander to drain, and let them cool slightly for easier handling. Meanwhile, prepare chopped parsley. When the potatoes have cooled, use a spoon to gently scoop out the inside to create a hollow space in the middle of the potato. Be careful not to scoop too deeply or thinly into the skin, as the skin needs to be thick enough to hold its shape when the filling is added. Repeat this process for all 4 potatoes. It's wonderful that we can connect from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Notes on choosing potatoes. Choose fresh potatoes that are not sprouting. Avoid potatoes with green sprouts or green skin. These can be harmful to your health. Choose potatoes that feel firm to the touch and have smooth skin. Then, gently place the 4 hollowed-out potatoes on the cutting board one by one. After removing the intestines, I set them aside in a separate bowl for the following steps. Prepare 100 grams of sausage, cut into small cubes. Add 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic. Then add a little butter to each potato to enhance richness and make the dish more aromatic when baked. Add a little chopped parsley to create a fragrant aroma and attractive color. Next, add the chopped green onions. The most important step is to crack each egg into the center of each potato so that the yolk sits neatly in the hollow. Then, sprinkle a little salt and ground pepper on top to enhance the flavor. Cover each potato with shredded cheese to give the dish a golden, rich, and appealing crust after baking. Add a little pepper on top. Line the bottom of the tray with a piece of parchment paper. Then gently place the potatoes into the air fryer tray. and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 23 minutes. If you want the eggs to be more thoroughly cooked and the cheese to be darker, you can increase the time by 3 to 5 minutes. Don't throw away the potato flesh you've scooped out, because we can use it to make delicious potato cakes. Use a fork to mash it until smooth, with no lumps remaining. Once the potatoes are smooth, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or potato starch can be used. Then continue to mix well until the mixture is smooth, sticky, and has the right amount of cohesion. Heat a pan on the stove. Add enough olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Cook over medium heat until the oil is hot. When the oil is hot, gently place each patty into the pan. Fry over medium heat until the bottom is evenly golden and slightly crispy. Then flip and continue frying the other side until both sides are golden brown. The potatoes in the fryer were now cooked. The aroma of eggs, butter, and cheese was incredibly enticing. I gently took out each potato and placed it on a plate. The potatoes were soft and fluffy, and the filling inside was a delicious combination of rich eggs, savory sausage, and fragrant cheese, creating a very tasty flavor. Let's get back to the cake. It's cooked now. This is not only an attractive dish, but also provides a lot of energy and nutrients. Potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Eggs provide high-quality protein. So we've finished making this delicious, creamy baked potato with cheese and eggs that's still very healthy. With its simple preparation, easy-to-find ingredients, and appealing flavor, what do you think about trying this dish for your family, especially for your grandparents and parents to enjoy? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share the video to support me. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more delicious and nutritious recipes. See you in the next videos.